Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am QB. So today's video is going to be on this beautiful hair provided to me by Nadula Hair Company. And as you can see, I really love this hair. It's so pretty. And so I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a wig and to pluck your frontal and all that good stuff. So keep on watching if you want to see how I achieve this look. And also don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Alright, so I'm going to be using this mesh dome style cap, some T-pins, and I'm going to go ahead and start putting my T-pins and securing my frontal onto my wig cap. Now I'm just going to go ahead and start sewing my frontal down. You want to make sure that your frontal is laid flat on the cap so that you can have a really flat install at the top. We don't want our frontal to be bulky or have any lumps. So as you can see, I'm just doing the other side as well. I like to do one side first and then do the other side after. This just helps me secure my sewing and make everything flat and seamless. And as you can see, I'm going all the way to the end of the frontal. Alright, so now that we're done with that, I'm just going to go ahead and get the frontal out of my way and just braid it up. And so now I'm just going to go ahead and start with my sewing with the bundles, and I'm going to start by doing sewing it double. So I'm going to double up my stitching, and I'm going to show you guys how I do that, so don't worry. So I'm just securing my pin, and now I'm going ahead and I'm sewing it. Like I said, I doubled my wefts. This just helps so that I can get as much bundles in as possible. And as you can see, I'm done, and now I'm close to the top, so I'm going to start singling out my wefts now. So as you can see, I'm attaching it to the one that I was already finished with. So I'm just going to continue sewing until I get to the top. Alright, so right here I'm just going to show you guys how I flip over my my bundle, and basically you just attach it to the frontal at the end, and then you flip it, and then you hook it at the frontal, hook it at the weft, and then you keep sewing after that. So as you can see, I'm finishing up the top. Unfortunately, I didn't really get to record how I finished the last line, but basically you just sew onto the frontal and then sew it onto the weft of the track, and then you keep sewing after that, and then you just cut it. Alright, so now I'm taking out my frontal so that we can get ready for styling. But first, we are going to cut out the remaining cap from the wig cap, the part that we didn't sew on, just to ensure that our frontal, doesn't look weird or anything, and it actually shows through. So now we're gonna go ahead and put it right back on the wig cap, the wig head, my bad, and then we're gonna start spraying it with some water to get ready to customize our frontal and do some plucking. Alright, so as you can see, I'm just brushing the hairs back. The reason why I spray my the front of my hairline is to make sure that it's easy for me to pluck and everything is just out of my way. So we're going to be needing our razor and our what you call those things, tweezers, and also my mousse and some gel to customize our frontal. So as you can see, the frontal is pretty much customized a little bit, but I'm just going to go ahead and go in because I want it to look as natural as possible. So I'm just going ahead and I'm tweezing out the hairline a little more. As you can see, I'm kind of staying away from the front, the very front, and I'm like focusing more on like the back. And I'm just, as you can see, I'm just going ahead and I'm plucking every half an inch or every inch. So I'm probably going to do another video that's more detailed with how to pluck. But this is how it looks for now. As you can see, I'm just brushing it just to see how I like it. and that's how it looks compared to the other side. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and style my frontal. I'm going to be going ahead and spraying some water and brushing it to make sure any type of shedding has come off the wig. And now I'm going to be taking my mousse, and I'm going to put a lot of mousse because I want this to be a slick back style. And I'm going to go ahead and slap the mousse right on the hairline, and then put a little bit of gel on the hairline as well, just to harden it a little bit more. And yeah, that's pretty much what I do to my wig. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of how I made my frontal wig and how I styled it, how I plucked it. And yeah, I'm really loving this hairstyle. Make sure you guys follow Nadula page. I'm gonna have everything in the description below. Don't